In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Snapchat AI without Snapchat Plus subscription model. So first, what you want to do is go to the App Store or Android Play Store, type in Snapchat, and of course, update it to the latest version. Once you have updated it to the latest version, go to your profile, go to Settings, go to the Privacy Controls, Clear Data, Clear Cache, and then click on Clear. Once your cache has been cleared, Snapchat will automatically close down, and what you need to do is open it again. Then go to your chats and you should be able to see My AI. Now, if you still don't see it, here are the next steps you need to do. Go to your profile, go to Settings, then scroll all the way down to the feedback and click on I spotted a bug. Then you want to tap on Friends, then click on Choose Topic, then tap on Chats. After you have taken a random screenshot, add that screenshot to the bug, to the topic. And next, what you want to do is open up the Tell Us What Happens and write something like, hey, I don't see my AI Snapchat bot. What's the issue? Can you help me out? Of course, your screenshot can be the one of your Snapchat chat where you don't actually have the AI, and then just click on Submit and wait for a few days until Snapchat gets back to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.